Cornell Cooperative Extension Allegany County presents Indoor Herb Gardening, the mini-series. Episode 2. How to start herbs from seeds. First, choose containers. Select containers with good drainage holes to prevent waterlogging, as most herbs dislike soggy roots. Pots should be at least 6 to 8 inches deep to allow room for root growth, and slightly larger than the herb's current root ball. What is the root ball? This. Terracotta pots are breathable and help prevent overwatering, but may dry out quickly, while plastic or glazed ceramic pots retain moisture better. So it depends if you live in a dry or humid environment, you are gonna decide if going for terracotta or not. Use lightweight pots if you're gonna be moving them around and ensure they fit the aesthetic of your space of your indoor area. The idea is to produce delicious herbs and also something beautiful for your indoor layout. Second, select potting mix. You can buy or make your own potting mix. Choose a lightweight, well-draining potting mix that retains enough moisture without becoming waterlogged, and avoid garden soil as it can compact in pots and may contain pests or diseases. And if you're making your own potting mix, a simple and effective homemade potting mix for herbs include 2 parts of peat moss or coconut coir, because this retains moisture and provides a lightweight base, and 1 part of perlite or coarse sand. It improves drainage and aeration, and 1 part of compost, because this adds nutrients for healthy herb growth. If peat moss is used, consider adding a small amount of lime to balance the pH, as peat moss can be slightly acidic and your plants are not going to like that. Number 3. Plant seeds. Fill your pot with moist potting mix, leaving about 1 to 2 inches of space at the top. Gently press the seeds into the soil, following the depth instructions of the seed packet. For tiny seeds, sprinkle them on the surface and lightly press them into the soil without burying them. Number 4. Water lightly. Water gently to settle the seeds without washing them away. Cover the pot with clear plastic or humidity dome to retain moisture. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. And provide light. Most herb seeds prefer indirect light during the germination process. Direct sunlight can dry out the soil too quickly and may overheat tender seedlings, so place them in an area with indirect sunlight or under growing lights. Learn more about lighting for herbs in the episode 5. Number 6. Thin seeds. Wait until they have developed a couple of set of true leaves. Use clean scissors or pinch them off gently at the soil level to avoid damaging nearby seedlings, and thinning helps prevent overcrowding, so this is gonna be good for your plants. Don't worry, don't feel like a plant killer, it's gonna be okay, you can do it. Keep learning about herbs. Watch our next episode, How to Start Herbs from Cuttings, Bulbs, and Rhizomes.